Hello guys, for another video. In today's video I will show you how you can increase your sales on Redbubble by reducing the competition of any niche you work on it. Because if you work on a low competition niche, you probably will make some sales. So in this video I will give you some tips I personally do when I find a good niche I want to work on it, and these tips you can use them on all print-on-demand platforms, even Amazon KDP. So if you see me for the first time, my name is Sad, and on this channel uploading daily videos about making money online with print-on-demand business by giving you daily tips and tricks help you to improve your shop, increase your sales and scale your print-on-demand business. So if you're interested in this field, be sure you smash that red button, give the video a like, and thank you for your support. Now let's get started. We all know that popular niches are great on print-on-demand, but these niches have a huge competition like cat, dog, horses, mom, dad, family. All these niches have a huge monthly traffic. People every day search for these niches, want to buy some new cool designs. So you cannot compete on these niches, especially if you are new and you don't have any old designs on these niches. So you must reduce in your niche, and how you can do that. Open redbubble.com and search for example family. By the way, this is my main niche in all my print-on-demand platforms. I focus on this niche because it's profitable and always have a new idea to work on it. Okay, like you see, the family niche has 961,000 results. Of course this is too much and you have no chance to compete on this niche. But if we add a keyword beside this niche like funny, guys, I showing you here my own strategy to reduce in any niche I want. So we add the keyword of funny. And why we choose funny? Because funny is a popular keyword everyone use, especially when people search for clothes. Now this niche are down from 900 to 400,000, and that's good because we add only one keyword, but the niche still high competition. Now let's choose any related search from here, for example this, and voila, from 900,000 to 1,000. Click at best selling and start making your designs related to any designs from these 5 results, and you can find a chance of profitable ideas you can work on it. Redbubble, it's a long-term business. Matter of fact, the all print-on-demand business is a long-term. It means you work on any idea possible and don't expect success. Just keep working and working, and the great results will come over time. So let's take another example. Let's back to this page and let's choose this one, family cute. So we have 158,000, and let's choose this family anniversary. And voila, just 700. And you can keep filtering the results until you find a niche under 1,000. Now I will show you another method you can use to find the profitable niches. Let's back to the first page, click at best selling and scroll down, and find any idea from the first page you can work on it. For example this, copy and paste to another new page. Like you see, this idea appear in the first pages on a niche have a 900,000 results. And this idea have only 2 results, and look for these designs. It's simple, you can create your own designs with Canva in just 5 minutes. Copy the tags of these designs and you're done. And you have a big chance to have sales with this idea. And remember, all designs appear in the first page of a huge niche like this niche and have a lot of sales, because you cannot rank over 900,000 results without sales. The robot of Redbubble always prefer designs that bring sales. And of course, it's much better if you have an idea from the first 5 results. If not, you can keep scroll down until you find an idea you can work on it in the first page. So let's take another idea. In the next video I will show you how you can create stickers like this for free and increase your sales on Redbubble. For example, let's take this one, copy and paste to another page. And voila, only 21 results. And like you see, this is not the same person who upload these designs. That's mean a lot of people use this method, and because it's simple, free and fast. And you can search in all the day on Redbubble and make designs on different ideas and keep working harder, and I am sure that the sales will come over time. So guys, this is the end of this video. If you benefit from it, don't forget to give it a like. That helps the channel to grow up and motivate me to create more videos like this, and see you in the next video.